Hey guys, so I've got another vintage Coach unboxing to share with you. So as you can see, this is a smaller box, so it is an accessory. So I'll go ahead and show you what's inside now. It's this nice little eyeglass case. So you would put your glasses in here, and then it does have the Coach cartouche stamp right there. So I'm not sure what the official name and style number would have been for this eyeglass case, but if I do find it out, I will link it below in the description bar. But anyway, this is a nice little case. It's in really nice condition. Might have been used a few times, but it looks nice still. And I think it's a somewhat rare piece because I couldn't find many of them online, but it's definitely a nice collector's piece. And of course, as always, I will link it below in our Etsy shop. It's still available if you wanted to check it out further, but otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.